Today's recipe is quick Paneer Bhurji. It's very easy to make. It just takes a little long to cook all the vegetables. Otherwise, very few ingredients, and you can make a very tasty, healthy recipe which is high in protein. I'll show you. In a pan, I'm going to take 2 tablespoons of canola oil. You can take any oil with a teaspoon of ginger. I'm not using garlic here. I'm using garlic paste. This is 1 cup of onion, roughly chopped. You can make a puree if you like, but I like it chopped. 1 cup of green peppers. Mix it, and I'm going to add a little salt here so it can cook a little faster. And right now I'm only adding salt for onion and green pepper. I'm going to mix, and I'm gonna cover it, and I'm gonna let it cook for at least 6 to 8 minutes, or until it gets a little softer. Time to add red chili paste. This paste I made it at home. It's just a red chili and a garlic. I crushed it and I made a paste. I'm using this because it gives a nice little flavor in the Paneer Bhurji. I'm adding it right now so I can. So it cooks very nice with the onion and green pepper. That's it. Again, I'm gonna let it cook for a few minutes. Before that, I'm going to add some spices. I'm going to add a coriander, cumin seed powder. I like it more, so I add more. And I'm also going to add a garam masala, which is a blend of spices, a whole lot of spices, clove and cinnamon and coriander seeds and everything. But it gives really nice taste, and you don't have to find all the spices in your cupboard when you have this blend of spice here. So I'm gonna let it cook again for a few minutes so my spices get cooked with the onion and green pepper. After a few minutes, this is how it looks, and it looks good. It's cooking. I'm gonna let it cook for a few more minutes. Shake it, shake it. So after 3 to 4 minutes, I'm going to add 1 cup of tomato. I'm using red wine tomato. So it's a little sour in taste. That's how I like my bhurji. So I'm gonna cover it again and let it cook until the tomatoes are soft. All the other veggies are cooked very well. My tomatoes are nicely cooked. Now it's time to add paneer. I shredded this paneer and put it in the fridge earlier. This paneer is a little different than the regular paneer. You can shred it or mash it, whatever you like to do, you can do it, or make a little pieces. But this way, if I put the paneer inside, it tastes better. This one just melts inside the mixture, but the other paneer does not, so you can choose the other paneer too. This makes this bhurji buttery, very buttery. And I'm going to mix it very well. I might have to add a little salt here because I only added salt for onion and green pepper, so I'm going to taste it and add a little salt as per the taste. This is the paneer I'm using. It's a new company and it's high in protein. So one of the source vegetarian can use for protein is this paneer, and it has 14 gram of paneer and 55 gram. Oh, that's high. It's very good. And so is it a little heavy. Oh, I'm adding my salt a little bit here. So mix again, and that's it. My paneer bhurji is ready. It's quick because it takes only few ingredients. Besides, it's just you have to let it cook. Thanks for watching my video. Do not forget to subscribe. Leave me a comment or any suggestion or question. I'm happy to answer. Also check out my playlist for other recipes, includes kids friendly weight loss recipes and soup for cold freezing winter. See you guys for next quick healthy recipes. Until then, bye bye.